Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue part 2 for solving practice questions straight line and graph. Number 7, determine the equation of each the following graph. So let's starting with A. First, we always find the gradient. So gradient of M, the A. So let's find the 1 point here, 6. This point, 6 and minus 6. So it's gonna be 6 and minus 6. Minus by this point, 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2. Isn't it? So minus by y is 2, x is minus 2. So we got it. 6 minus by 2 is 4. And here is minus 4. So gradient is minus 1. So let's write it into the equation. So y equal to minus x plus, look at the intersects with y is 0. So here y equal to minus x. Next for B. Where is B? Here. Let's pick a point here. When y is minus 3, so this is gradient, y is minus 3, minus by x, y is minus 6. Okay, next, another point, let's find it. Here, 0, 0. So it's gonna be 0, 0. So it's gonna be m is 1 over 2. So y equal to m is 1 over 2x. Intersection with y is 0. So the equation is only y equal to a half x. Next for C. Look at the line C. Okay, this one line only. So this is y equal to 2.5. So y equal to 2.5. So all the y equal to 2.5. Next, we got D. Where is D? There we go. So let's pick here 7 and 4. So the gradient 7, 4. Then another point, let us use here 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 and minus by minus 2. So it's gonna be 4 and 6. So the gradient is 2 over 3. So y equal to 2 over 3x. 2 over 3. Wait, let me write through 2 over 3 x, and we can see it. Okay, let me check it again. We see from here D. So first is 7 and minus 4. So 7 and minus 4. Next we will use 3 and minus 2. So 3 and minus 2. Okay. So this gonna be minus 2. So 4 divided by minus 2 is minus 2. So this is minus 2x, and the y intercept is here, minus 1. So minus 2x and then minus by 1. D. Okay, I think we need to make the new page. Okay, and we will copy here. Copy here. Paste, and okay, there we go. Where is scroll? Sorry, not. Look at the crop. Okay, just forget it. So let's start with E. Okay, here for E. So first, we always find the gradient. Let's use this point. So y equal to -2 and x equal to -2. So gradient is -2. And here also -2. Minus by another. Okay, we will use this point when y equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So this -2 divided by -4. So the gradient is 1 over 2. We will write it into the formula. Y equal to 1 over 2 x. And then we will see, okay, here the y-intercept is -1. Next question for AF. This point -3 and -2. So the gradient to -3 and -2. And another point, let's find it. Okay, here 3 and 1. So minus by 3 and then minus by 1. So this -6 divided by -3. So gradient is 2. So write it into the formula. It's gonna be 2x plus by the y-intercept is 1. So plus by 1. Okay, next F, G. Okay, G is pretty easy. So look at it. This is x equal to 2. So all x equal 2. Next for H. Here H. We'll use again 2 point. Yeah, okay, here H. So the gradient is 3. Okay, 3. And the x is -3. Minus by another point, we will use 1 and 3. So -1 and -3. So it's going to be 2 over -6. Or this is -1 over 3. So write it into the formula. Y equal to gradient is -1 over 3x. And then the y-intercept is 2 plus 2. So this is plus by 2. Okay, there we go. H now is I. Find the gradient first. I. Where is I? Here. There we go. So this point, 4 and -2. So 4 minus by the second y. And then first x is -2. Another point, we will use here 2 and -4. So 2 and -4. So it's going to be 2 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus by -4. Okay, let's check it again. This is the y. I apologize. So y is 4 and x is 2. So this is -4 and not -2, is 2 only. So it's gonna be 8 divided by -4, or the gradient is -2. So y equal to -2x. Okay, intercept is 0. So y equal to -2x. Next question I. G here. Find the gradient. So let us use this point. When y equal to 0 and x equal to -4. And minus by another point, we can use here 6 and 2, 6 and 2. So -6 divided by -6 equal to 1. So the gradient is 1. So just write it x plus y-intercept is here 4. So plus by 4. Now is k. Find the gradient. Where is k? Here, this is the k. I think so. J, K, L. K Okay, here 3. Y is minus 2 and x is minus 8. We minus both of them. Second y, let us use 4 and 2. Yeah, 4 and 2. So minus, let's check it again. This is y. Y is minus 8. So we write it here minus 8. Minus 2. So minus 12 divided by minus 4, which is 3. So we write it y equal to 3x. And then y-intercept is minus 2. Minus by 2. Next, last question, L. Find the gradient for the L. Here we will use when y equal to minus 6. Y equal to minus 6. And x equal to minus 3. So minus 6 divided by minus 3. Another point we can use here. When y equal to 0 and x equal to 3. So this is minus 6 divided by minus 6 equal to 1. So the gradient is 1. The y-intercept is minus 3. Okay, there we go. Okay, 8. Find the x and the y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept. Just remember y equal to mx plus c. C, that is y-intercept. And how can we find the value of x? Find the x. So this when y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0. Okay, so let's start. So the x is when y equal to 0. So 0 equal to 3x minus 6. 6 equal to 3x. So x equal to, okay, we got it. X equal to, and then y equal to, we can just see it from here, minus 6. Next, okay, make it y equal to 0. So 0 equal to minus 1 over 2x plus 3. So 1 over 2x plus 3. So x equal to 3. So x equal to 6. So we got it. X equal to 6. And then y equal to here 3. Y-intercept equal to 3. Next question. Let us write here. So 2 times 0. This is for C. Minus 3x equal to 12. So minus 3x equal to 12. So x equal to minus 4. So here x equal to minus 4. X-intercept and then y-intercept. We need to make it y equal. So 2y equal to 3x plus 12. So y equal to 3 over 2x plus 12 divided by 2 is 6. So here y-intercept is 6. Next for D, we write it, okay, here D. So y equal to 0, x plus 0 divided by 2 equal to 5. So x over 2 equal to 5, and then x equal to 10. So the x-intercept is going to be 10, and y, let us make it y equal to, so x plus y over 2 equal to 5. So x plus y equal to 10. Y equal to minus x plus 10. Okay, we got it. So y-intercept equal to 10. Now is x here. So this is E. So 2x plus 0 plus 5 equal to 0. So 2x equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 over 2. So write it, x-intercept is minus 5 over 2. What is y-intercept? Let us make it. Y equal to minus 2x minus 5. Okay, so y-intercept is minus 5. Without drawing the graph, calculate the gradient of the following. Okay. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So remember, to find the gradient, I will write it here. The gradient m equal to y2 minus by y1 divided by x2 minus by x1. I will proceed. So this gradient is gonna be 2 minus by minus 2 divided by 2 minus by minus 2 again. So this is 4 over 4, or the gradient equal to 1. Next, for B, the gradient. So we got 2 minus by minus 1 divided by 0 by minus 3. So this is 3 over 3 equal to 1. Next, for C. Okay, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So gradient is 1 minus by 5. We divide by 0 minus by minus 4. So minus 4 divided by 4. So the gradient equal to minus 1. Okay, we will decide x1, y1, x2, y2. So the gradient is 16 minus 4. We divide by 8 minus 2. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 12 divided by 6. So the gradient equal to, here, x1, y1, x2, y2. So the gradient is minus 3 minus by minus 3. We divide by 2 minus by minus 1. So 3 minus by minus is 0, and here is going to be 3. So the gradient is 0. It doesn't matter, x1 can be here, and y1. Here also x2 and y2. So the gradient is going to be 0 minus by 3 divided by minus 2 minus by 4. So this is going to be minus 3 divided by minus 6, or equal to 1 over 2 for the gradient. Now it's number 10. Using the same set of points as in question 9. Okay, question 9. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment A to C. So A to C. Now let us write it A. So we got minus 2 and minus 2 with 2.2. Okay, the midpoint between two of them can addition and divide by 2. So the midpoint is going to be 0.0. Next, for B, midpoint. So we got minus 3 and 0. Minus 3 and minus 1. With point minus 0 and 2. 0 and 2. So minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 divided by 2 is minus 1.5. Next, minus 1 plus by 2 is gonna be 1. 1 divided by 2 is gonna be 0.5. Next, for the C. So here, to find midpoint x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 we divided by 2. Next, for C, what point we got? Minus 4 and 5. Minus 4 and 5 with point 0.1. Okay, I will show you step by step. So first is minus 4 plus 0 divided by 2, and another point is gonna be 5 plus 1 or 2. So the gradient is minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2.5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, here are the midpoints of line segment. Now determine the length of the line segment D to F. Okay, D to F. I write it D 2.4. So D 2.4 and then 8.16. 8.16. To find it, the length D to F. So we will find the difference. 2 and 8 is 6, and then 4 and 16. Is it 4 and 16? Yeah, 4 and 16 is 12. So square root of 12 plus by 6 square. So 144 plus by 36. So this is square root of 0.81. So this will be 13.42 unit. Next for the F, we will write it. Okay, let's write it here. Do it here. E. So minus 1 point minus 3 and then 2 minus 3. So find the difference for x. Minus 1 and 2 is minus 3. Then minus 3, the difference with minus is 0. So square root of minus 3 square plus 0 square. So this is 9. Square root of 9 equal to 3. So the length is 3. Next for F, we got minus 2, 0, and 4 and 3. Okay, the difference minus 2 and minus 4 is minus 6 and 3. So make it square root, minus 6 square plus 3 square. So 36 plus 9. So this is going to be square root of 45. You could simplify it. This is going to be 9 times 5. So 3 square root of 5. Or even we can make it 6.71 unit. Okay, there it is. 11 and go on. We will continue for the next part. Thank you.